and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you, which I haven't done anything like in quite a while now. And today I'm going to be unboxing a box of goodies from Allbeauty. And for those of you who don't know, Allbeauty is an online retailer who stock a variety of different beauty brands for hair, skin, makeup and bath and body, and they've created this new beauty box. This box came in the post this morning. It was very kindly sent to me by Allbeauty for me to review, and this is a new beauty box. It's called the Calm and Detox beauty box, which has a variety of products which equates to the value of £60, and I'm not entirely sure about how much this box costs, but I will put information somewhere now in the video and also down below. The box comes out at the end of February, so it'll be out in a few days on the Allbeauty website. So let's open this box of magic and see what we've got in here. So we've got this little pamphlet, which I will just open up now and let's have a look. Oh good, the print is big enough for me to read. Yay, I don't have to get out my magnifying glass, because if you're new to my channel, I'm visually impaired, so whenever I have to read anything on my YouTube channel, I'm like, oh no, is it too small? Is the print okay? So it says, welcome to the Allbeauty Detox and Calm beauty box. As we begin the new year, the Allbeauty team brings you a selection of products to detox, relax and renew. We've chosen treats from some of our favourite brands, including the Organic Pharmacy and Declior, to banish winter blues and lift up your spirit. We even included a little luxury fragrance to make your day extra special. With best wishes for 2018, the Allbeauty team. This is what the box looks like. It has this lovely blue tissue paper. The first thing you get when you open the box is you get some codes to get money off of some products. So a code to get money off of the Organic Pharmacy, and then a code to get money off of Versace perfumes. The first one you have is the Bomb Cosmetic Lime and Dandy soap. Oh yeah, we do. I love a bit of lime. If you guys have been following me for ages, you know anything lime scented, I am there. Oh, that smells good. That just smells like a lime lolly. That just takes me back to being a child when I used to have the lime lollies from the ice cream van. Oh, that smells so nice. That just smells delish. It just smells amazing. It's made of all essential oils as well, which is lovely. Step out with a lime and dandy soap designed to lift your spirits with its fresh scent of pure lime and lemongrass oils to refresh and enliven and uplift. The next thing we have is the Declior Aroma Comfort Body Milk, and it's a travel size. This is a moisturiser. It says that you apply it after a bath or shower, so let's try a little bit of this on. It doesn't have a very strong scent, so it's got a very light kind of smell to it, but that feels really nice on the skin. It's very luxurious and moisturising. It'd be quite nice after a shower or a bath if you don't like anything too heavily scented, and it just feels really, really hydrating. It feels like it's a nice thick layer of moisturisation to the skin. It just feels like it's really, really soothing on the skin. Always like a nice moisturiser in the springtime to get my skin feeling all nice and prepped, especially as I get further into spring. I start to put on fake tan. Oh, okay, what's this next thing? This noisy thing that sounds like maracas. This is from the Organic Pharmacy, and it's their Detoxifying Seaweed Bath Soak. Okay, that sounds really interesting. There is some font here that I can't read, so this is where my magnifying glass app comes in useful. So let's see what it says about this. Seriously, the things I have to do. A potent detoxifying salt soak infused with seaweed and juniper. Wow, that's really strong. Definitely can smell the seaweed in that. But that is a very strong scent, but if you like Epsom bath salts and you like really nice detoxifying scents, you would like this. I can smell the juniper, but the thing I can smell the most is the seaweed. I mean, that just smells like being on the beach, and I love sea scented things. I like the big blue bath bomb from Lush, so I am a fan of seaweed scents, but that just sounds really nice. Anything with seaweed is really good to help detoxify and moisturise your skin. Seaweed is very lightly exfoliating for the skin as well, so it helps to get rid of the dead skin, and it just really leaves your skin feeling nice and hydrated. So I'm really excited to try that in a bath and see how that makes my skin feel. Got a nice little bath theme going on here. Got a nice little pamper. You've got your bath thing, you've got your soap, you've got your moisturiser, so you'll be all set for a bath. Next up, we have something from Manuka Doctor. Oh, I've never tried this brand before, and it says it's an age-defying overnight lavender mask. Oh, now you're talking, now you're talking. You got me there. Anything that's an overnight mask, I'm there. Wake up to visibly hydrated and smooth skin. And it says it's made with manuka honey and floral nectar. Oh, that sounds interesting. Again, we need the magnifier. I'll be right back, give me a minute. Transform skin overnight and wake to visibly hydrated, smooth, luminous skin. This lavender scented leave-on mask gel helps you relax, promote restful sleep and awaken a tired and dull looking complexion. Wake up to soft, supple, replenished skin with this moisturising formula. Contains ingredients to help reduce the appearance of dark circles, nurtures and restores skin softness, refines the appearance of wrinkles, and skin feels firmer. So let's give this a little try. Oh, you can smell the lavender. It's very florally, but that just smells lovely. Oh, that smells divine. I love anything lavender scented. That feels like it's going to be really soothing. Great if you get really irritated skin or you get redness. Alright, so I'm sorry if the position of the camera has changed at all. I had to get up and change the memory card because the other one was full. But anyway, getting back to what I was saying, which was about the overnight mask. It does feel really light on the skin. Like, you can still definitely feel like it's doing something. It feels really moisturised and hydrated, but it's quite lightweight. It doesn't look like you've got loads of product on, so it'd be good if you don't like anything too heavy. And I think this would be good for a lot of different skin types. I'm so excited to try this. It feels really, really nice on the skin, and it just sounds like a really nice indulgent product. And I think at this time of year, we're all getting really dry skin, and we're all getting quite fatigued, and we could all do with a little bit of TLC, especially at night time. And to be honest, it's always good to put on an overnight mask or an overnight cream on at night, because our skin does most of its repairing and it's replenishing at night, so it repairs most of the damage that we've done throughout the evening. So anything to help that along is always good. Again, it's another range that I've not tried before. I've never tried anything from that brand, so I'll be quite keen to try it out. And I always love these boxes, because with these types of boxes you can always try out lots of different things from different brands. Next we have a toothpaste, and it is the Regenerate Enamel Science toothpaste. A toothpaste. I don't think I've ever had a beauty box where I've been given a toothpaste. This is a first for me, but it's important to keep your gnashes clean. It says that it regenerates enamel mineral and it reverses the early erosion process. It's a sample size, so it's quite small. Maybe you're going travelling, you could take that with you. I've never tried anything from this range before, and I do drink a lot of tea and a lot of caffeine, so I probably know all about the erosion of the enamel, so I'll be quite keen to try this out. So the final full-size product you get in this box is the Gatineau Perfection Ultim Cream. I actually have tried this before, and it is actually really nice. It's really thick and moisturising. If you like really, really rich moisturisers, you probably would like this, and it's a small size, so you could take this travelling with you again, so that's pretty good. So the final things you get in here are samples. So you get 2 samples of perfume, the Versace Dylan Blue Eau de Toilette, and then you've also got the Obsessed for Women by Calvin Klein. So I'm gonna give these a little spritz now and just see what I think of those. Oh, that is really nice. That is lovely. Okay, so Dylan Blue has bergamot grapefruit. You've also got fig leaves, violet leaves, black pepper, patchouli, musk, tonka bean, saffron, and incense. That's really interesting. You can definitely smell the fresher notes with the bergamot in there and the grapefruit, but then there definitely is that more warm tone with the saffron and the tonka bean, so that smells really nice. Let's try the Calvin Klein one on the other hand. Calvin Klein's quite sweet. It smells like it's got violet leaf in it. I wonder if it does. So it says it's a female interpretation of an oriental lavender intensified with liquid amber. Ah, okay, amber. That smells lovely. Really like the smell of that one as well, actually. So they are really nice samples. I might end up buying a full size of one of them myself. The final thing we've got in here is a little sachet of shampoo. Oh my god, that's a tongue twister. And it's the Novix Argan Oil Shampoo, and it says it's for shiny hair without frizz. Personally, I think this is a really nice box. I like the fact that it's all skincare, and all the skincare products you get in there are pretty generic, so they're not too specific for dry or oily skin, so everybody can use them. So out of everything in the box, I absolutely love the Manuka Doctor Overnight Mask. I think that's going to be a real winner. I do really like the Organic Pharmacy bath soak. And then I also really like the smell of the Lime and Dandy soap by Bomb Cosmetics. I think it's a really well put together box, and I like the fact that it's all bath and body and things to make you feel good, and I'm really excited to give all of it a try. Thank you so much to Allbeauty for sending me this box. Thank you to everyone for watching this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new and click the little notification bell so you can get notifications every time I make new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!